Lead Generation Unleashed, the ultimate guide for endless leads. So, if there's one thing that all business owners want, it's leads. But where do we find them? The best way to have endless leads for your business is to follow the simple 4-step plan. The first is to have an online presence. Be visible where your ideal client would be. This includes social media platforms, vlogs, and blogs, and also being within groups and networks where they may be so that they can get to know you. The second is to reach out to people and build relationships. Don't just post and run. Comment on other people's posts, especially those who would be ideal for working with you, and follow up with people. Stay in touch. Build a network. Don't just build a profile. The third one is that you need to serve your clients well. This way they can give you referrals. Referrals are still the best source of leads and the best source of advertising, and it costs you nothing other than serving them well and keeping them happy. The fourth thing is don't be afraid to follow up with people. If you haven't heard from someone in 6 months, send them an email. If it's a past client, reach out to them again and let them know what you have going on. Following up is a game changer in making sure that you always have leads you can pursue and that you're bringing people into your pipeline who are already sold on working with you. If you'd like more tips on how you can get better lead generation in less time and more effectively, please drop the hashtag lead generation in the comments, and I'd love to send you more information.